Okay, we need sugar. Do we have sugar? Obviously we don't.
Hi, my name is Janelle and welcome to Rated R. No, not that type of R. R for responsibility lah, what are you thinking? Anyway, getting back to the point. Chinese New Year is here and you know what that means. It's the season for giving oranges, collecting ang paos, and of course, eating all them tasty CNY goodies. But me being the fresh grad that I am and only just starting work this year, it means I don't have the time and money to queue for the one thing that everyone queues for. Bakwa. Wow, see? All these people, so free one don't need to work. I remember reading an article on Mothership.sg about making homemade bakwa, and that's when I decided I'm gonna beat the system and make my own bakwa. Which also means I get to save more money to take even better hipster IG shots. Or, you know, more responsible things like saving money for my retirement. So I enlisted the help of my colleague, Belmont, aka Bell, to teach me how to make bakwa.
Hi.
Although, he said he hasn't done it before. Really, he say one.
What if I've never done this before?
I've never done it before as well, so I guess we'll see how it goes.
Great.
What's 1 divided by 4? 0.25. I don't know.
This has to be in the video, man.
0.25 tablespoon. This is not possible. So after all that,
Quick maths.
let's begin making the bakwa. You have to weigh.
No, it says 230 grams.
230 grams.
Okay, we need sugar. Do we have sugar? Obviously we don't. Obviously we don't.
We do.
Sugar or salt?
I smell first.
Okay.
So I need to have
25 grams. Are you sure this is sugar or salt?
This is definitely sugar because it looks like sugar.
Can you taste it first?
Yeah, please. You're responsible enough.
Yeah.
Salty as well.
It's not sugar, right?
I can't tell.
What?
You cannot tell.
Oh, it's getting sugar.
Okay, great.
It's sugar, it's sugar.
Sugar 2 tries though.
Real adults use their teeth.
Don't use the
No, please don't. Just kidding. Whoa, no.
I like that one. You do like this. Yeah, whatever.
I think your reputation is ruined forever.
After mixing all the ingredients together, we let it sit in the fridge for another 6 to 8 hours overnight, and then we'll check back on it again tomorrow. So we'll see you soon. Hi guys, we're back. It's the day after, and now we're going to go and set up the barbecue pit.
Wow, look like dog food.
This is supposed to be the right consistency though.
I have no idea. This looks damn bad. Alright, there you go. Pepperoni pizza.
How long do we usually have to wait?
You can just see until it's charred. Probably every minute you just lift it and see whether it's cooked. Okay, do your thing, girl.
Doing
Sorry.
it. So we just barbecued the chicken. And I'm gonna give it a taste test. I'm gonna go for the most like jialat on the burnt part.
Looks real.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Not bad. It's a chicken one, but because we made it with chicken. So it doesn't really have like the normal
Does it
bak
even
kwa
taste like bak kwa?
You want the burnt part or not burnt part?
Anything.
I think it's really not bad.
Okay, it does taste like bak kwa. It looks like the sausage McMuffin patty.
So overall, I think making bak kwa wasn't too bad of an experience. The bak kwa stores in Singapore are selling theirs at about $55 per kg. Most of the ingredients I used today are very easily found in a typical household. So I guess you could say I did save some money. Of course, what's even better is that I managed to pick up a new skill today, which hopefully will stick with me for a long time. I hope you've also learned how to save some time and money during CNY. Till next time, bye! Hi. Can you try my bak kwa?
That face.
It's okay, you can be honest. You can be honest.
Nothing to say, but
Does it taste like dendeng?
No, don't insult my dinding. It's really like ham, it's like breakfast ham.